Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to update Facebook cover photo. Friends, you want to update your Facebook cover photo. So friends, now let's see how to update Facebook cover photo one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, you want to update, you want to use a new photo for your Facebook cover photo. So friends, now let's see how to update Facebook cover photo. Tap on your Facebook application. After turn on your phone Facebook application, friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. So friends, on your Facebook, tap on your profile. You want to update your Facebook profile photo. You want to use new photo on your profile. So friends, tap here, select profile picture, select your new profile photo, and you can update your profile photo. After adjust your profile photo, save option, friends, tap here. Your profile photo will update after 4 and 5 seconds. Your photo will update, and you want to update your cover photo. So friends, tap on your cover photo icon, camera icon. Friends, we will tap here, upload photo, tap here. You can select your new cover photo and you can update and you can use new photo on your Facebook. So friends, now I will select my flower photo. Friends, I will select, after select flower photo, adjust your photo, save option, and friends, now we will check photo will update or not. We will wait. Facebook upload complete, and friends, you can check your cover photo has been updated. So friends, now you can check, tap here, view cover photo. You can check your cover photo. After update, you can check, and friends, you can see just now we update our cover photo. So friends, you want to update, you want to use new photo on your Facebook account, so you can update your cover photo and you can use it. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, have any problem? So friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.